is our project. We talked about the Leibniz Science Campus, digital transformation of research, and it's called DiTraRe. And the growth core is to establish new research branch, and it's a cooperation between FITS and KIT. And I think the most important point is we want to analyze the process of the digitalization of research, and it's a multi-level interdisciplinary approach with a lot of nice people, which are also here in the meeting. So this is the structure, just to want to show you where we as use case from sports science are located. So we're at the research cluster protected data spaces, and this is our use case here. And all use cases are addressed with 4 dimensions you can see in the row below. And so our use case, and I present our working group here, is based on sports science, but sports science, for those who are not into sports science that deep, is a very complex science, I would say. And that's because we have here some results of an online survey regarding research data management in sports science. And just at this survey, you see how broad this science is, because we have just have a look at these affiliations. So we have researchers from psychology, we have pedagogy, we have sports technology, so Daniel, we have sports medicine, sports history. So very broad, very interdisciplinary field just into sports science. And I have some more insights from this survey, just to have a short impression of the science we're in. We have a lot of data types similar to different the affiliations before. So we have quantitative and qualitative data. We have different formats, different software. So I think just Daniel used a lot of software, different levels of sensitivity, what's important for us, for our context, and range from a small to large data sets in different studies. And just regarding research data management, this is also very interesting. I think the different types of storage of data, so very different usage of these storage types. And our background at the Institute regarding research data management and this digitalization of research is started in 2014. So, I haven't been in the project group there, but I joined in 2021. And the Leibniz Science Campus, our use case there is one of the current projects we're working in. So we're also part of the NFDI for Society, Consort SVD. We're also working in the sports science community. You see here below. We have a talk committee there, and working on different fields and try to bring this subject all up to the sports science community. And our main aspect at the moment is the Research Data Center, which evolved out of a repository. So this Research Data Center offers different access ways to get data from motor performance. And if you want to have a look at this one, here's the QR code and the link. And but you find it also if you Google it. And we're also working on this in this Research Data Center, how to handle sensitive data. And this is our work plan in the Leibniz Science Campus. Our aim is to have a concept for the secure processing of sensitive data via, and that's why we need our partners there, via trustworthy IT basis. We have differentiated access management and integrated proof mechanisms, which is partly already there, but partly needs to be developed. We have first results, also developed with our partners from FITS and KIT. We have a first ontology, which is published. We have new accessway scientific use file only, and we have fact sheets published regarding sensitive data in sports science. And we have a lot to do, just a short impression. So, for example, we want to develop this ontology as a fully ontology as basis for a knowledge graph. We want to have legal guidelines for handling sensitive data. So all in this context of sensitive data in sports science. And that should be the wrap up because we want to have time for questions. But you also find the literature in the presentation, which will be on Zenodo. And before I stop the presentation, I just want to show you the next important dates we have. We have our next colloquium, the December colloquium, which will be Stefan Dietze will be our guest here, and he will talk about social scientific data quality and reproducibility in the AI era. So Daniel mentioned the reproducibility crisis. So Stefan Dietze will also talk about challenges and pathways here. So just register here. And the 2 days before this colloquium, we have our symposium in Karlsruhe. So join this symposium. It will be a great occasion to discuss and talk face-to-face at a great location. So register here. And for the meantime, we have another possibilities to stay connected. And I think LinkedIn is the place to be. So just follow us here and you get all the news there. So thank you very much.